how to recover a suspended Xbox account. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your suspension message, because generally your message has all the information why your account is suspended. You can simply tap on view details if you want to. If that is not the case, you want to simply review Xbox policies and check what you could possibly have violated. You can go to Xbox Enforcement Appeal site, which is directly support.xbox.com, and submit a appeal. So you can simply go ahead and tell them why you're appealing and what your additional details are. Just be very polite, something like, this is a mistake and I want you to review my account, something like that. Once they go ahead and check your email, they will go ahead and make you wait for a decision. Simply in review, you need to wait patiently, and if your appeal is accepted, you can log in into your account. If not, then you lost your account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.